What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today we got this project, and the reason I'm making this video is to show you that it is possible to make money and become self-employed. And the purpose of our channel is to prove you that it is possible to become your own boss. I'm also going to share some tips on what we did to get to where we are, so you don't want to miss this video. Right now it's a little bit chilly, so we're going to go ahead and do this one first. It should take us about an hour to do this, and after that we're gonna go to that trailer back there. Hopefully the temperature will go up a little bit. It's supposed to go up, not by much, but just a little bit. We'll make sure that it's nice and clean. The first one is you have to be willing to get out of your comfort zone. Me, for example, I learned how to install decals, how to use different softwares, even driving around, going to different places that I don't usually go to. I have to be willing to go through all that to be able to do this. Okay, now we're gonna do this one here, but it's kind of windy, so we gotta be really careful because, like I said, it's just two of us today, so we're gonna try to do it. We're gonna take our time to do it. Another way to get out of your comfort zone is by adapting to new habits, getting rid of your old habits that are bad, could be bad for business. Like me, for example, I like watching TV a lot, and I mean I still do, but not as much as you know when I was employed. But you gotta adapt to sacrifice, make a lot of sacrifices, and try to learn stuff and come up with new ideas for your business. So that way, like I always tell my brother, you know, if it's not broken, then break it so you can make it better. You always gotta come up with new ideas for your business. The second one, you gotta be patient. Don't try to rush on things and try to become rich overnight. Always try to come up with new ideas, and if things are not working out, just try different things, because if you keep doing the same thing, you're gonna get the same results. Here's an example of why you must be patient. A year ago, I was still employed, and to be honest, I was making more money than I am making right now. And if you would have asked me, how do I see myself in a year, I would probably have said, you know, making more money. But the truth is, I'm making less. I'm still making less. But you know what? It is very worth it. Let me tell you why. I'm not getting up at 4 a.m. I'm not driving half hour to my job. I'm not dealing with co-workers drama or my boss. It wasn't the worst job, but I still rather do this. And any day, anytime. And I've seen a lot of improvement. We're, you know, doing better, and we're making more money, but we're still working on the program, on the company, making it better. And yeah, you just gotta be patient. You're gonna make money. You're gonna get there. I'm not where I wanna be, but at least I'm not where I used to be. That's the whole key. That's where I see the success, and where I see this whole thing that's worth it. You'll see. And we're getting to the third and the last one, and unfortunately, it's not the easiest one. And to be honest with you, in this type of business, you need money up front. You need money to buy the equipment, materials, especially if you're planning on going full-time in the future. You're gonna need money to pay the bills. So it is a great idea to start saving money. We used to wait tables, and what I used to do whenever I get home, I would put 10% away. I started off with 10%, and then eventually I went up to 20%. So every $100 I was making, I would put $20 away. And it took me some time. I forgot how long it took me to get to where I was comfortable, where I thought it was enough money to survive once we decided to go full time. But yeah, unfortunately, you need to start saving money, and I recommend 20%, which is not really easy to do, but at least start off with 10%. So you just gotta keep that in your head, that you're gonna have to start saving money. That's the last advice that we give you
because you need to start getting ready to do this full time. And believe me, all the savings, investing, and all that in the end will be worth it, because the business will pay itself and eventually you're gonna get the money back, that and more.
Okay, we finished one side. Now we're getting ready to do the second one. We just got it cleaned. And let me show you the other side. This is the side we just got done.
The whole point of this video was to maybe encourage you to start your business now, and don't be afraid, because you're not alone. Just start your business and just get it going and don't give up.
Well, this is the end result of the project, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and give us a like, and we'll be uploading more videos and give you more ideas on what to do if you have this type of business. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. See you next time.